Okay, Jingo.
2, 3. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the I, DD. I am back in Florida, okay? It is, I think it said it was like 87 degrees, but it feels like 98, and I'm definitely feeling it. So right now is the harshest time to shoot, okay? So I'm trying to avoid the sun. We have this fit. I have this Jeep as a rental, and I wanted to try to use it. We do have some water over here, so I'm gonna try to see if we can make use of it. The beach would have been the ideal situation though. But we're gonna make it work. I finally got my hands on the Nikon Z3. So shout out to Nikon for sending this to me. And we are going to see what we can get. Now, we have her IG. I'll put it in the bottom left-hand corner. And this is what she put together for us today, okay? By way of Dominican Republic. Okay.
Dominicana.
Okay, so let's get into it. Let's get some shots. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go. One, two. Boom. And flare your hands out like that. Boom. Put your chin. Yep. 1, 2.
Yeah, I'm just chilling with a
hold that right there. 1, 2. Right there. Cross your feet right there. Yeah. Yep, that's it right there. 1, 2. And hold that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2. Let me get that one more time. Boom. That, but kind of get me like that. Yeah. 1, 2. Boom. And cut your eyes like that way. Yeah. Boom. 1, 2.
Yeah, I think we gon' figure it out. Yeah, I think we gon' figure it out. They say the good die young, but I think we gon' figure it out. Couple bad ones and they running their mouth on them.
Boom. There we go. 1, 2. Boom. And let me get like, yeah. 1, 2. Boom. Perfect. Let me get like both hands on like the brim. Yeah. Perfect. Boom. Alright, Alright, I'm gonna do that one more time. 1. Yeah, just pop like that. Boom. Yeah, that's good. That's perfect right there. Oh yeah. That right there. Hold that. And try to like elongate yourself like with your torso kinda. Yeah. Try to stretch. Yeah. 1, 2. Boom.
What is wrong? What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head. Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. Shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like
2, 3. All right, let me see. This way, but we need your front. I think what I can do is I probably could put it right here. And then one, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, unknown brain. Marvin Divine.
I need this light.
Not working?
Yeah, it's like obvious. So obvious. So I'm gonna try to put it like right here. Alright. 1, 2, 3. One, two. Perfect. Oh, okay. 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 I ain't never heard of a cowgirl from from Dominican Republic. Perfect. Boom. Let me get both hands. Oh, okay. Ooh. Boom. Boom. 1, 2. There we go. And let me get your head up a little bit. Okay, okay. There we go. All right, I want to just try to get one just on that side. Yeah. All right. All right, let's do it. This. Yeah, there we go. 1, 2, 3.